So if you want to change your booking date on Agoda, firstly open up Agoda and log into your Agoda account. So once you're on your account here, so I'm going to go and click on your this account here on your top right there. So just click on the little arrow next to your profile, and then once you do that, and here you will see my trips under your account. So click on my trips. This will list out all your trips that you have made so far. So just go to your trips, and then under upcoming look for the trip that you want to make the changes with. So just do that, and then once you find the trip, all you have to do is click on the manage booking option here. So select the trip and then hit on manage booking. Once you click on manage booking, you will get to this screen here where you will be able to change dates. Okay, so if you have this option to change dates, click on it to change the dates, but this option won't be available for everyone because it all depends on the type of booking and the property that you have booked. So sometimes they allow you to change dates, sometimes they don't. So you got to make sure that you're able to change dates. But if you don't see the option to change the dates, then what I could suggest is that you can simply reach out to the support team. So if you open up your booking, scroll all the way down, and you'll see there is an option called under support. Click on help center. When you click on help center, this will take you to the contacts page here, and then here what you can do is select contact Agoda customer service. So just click your customer service and you can actually chat with them, and they will connect you to a chat agent, and you can simply chat with them and then see if they are able to change the dates. Okay, so these are the ways how you can do it.